Tuesday. It is Wednesday. I was gonna say Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. We woke up in Palm Springs because we are here. Woo! We are here. We are here early for Coachella. We are planning on. We are here. We are planning on relaxing and enjoying our time here before the craziness of Coachella begins. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's had 3 cups of coffee and now is working on green tea. Yeah, so we're gonna get ready right now. I'm currently trying to upload my vlog. Trying to get my vlog up currently. It's taking such a long time. Just taking longer than expected. So I think it's because Alicia and I were both uploading at the same time because now it's starting to pick up and she just finished uploading. So I think that was it. I think that was it. Now it's time to get ready for the day. For the day. Dressed and ready, and I don't think I've worn this much makeup in a very long time. I've got some concealer on, I've got some eyeshadow on, I did my eyebrows, and I've got some really dark lips going all at once. I'm like a new person. We're over here getting ready for the photo shoot that's happening today. It's basically a full day of photos, and by full day, we're just now starting and it's like 3. Here is some behind the scenes of the first photo. Here's the pool situation. And here we're gonna get some pool pics. Yay, we're on our bikinis. And so we had the pool water heated up just a little bit and it's perfect. It's like a bath. It's like a ginormous bath. Look at this. Look at them braids. So those two are working on some photos. I have some emails to sign, so I'm sitting in the shade right now trying to finish that. But look at them having a good time. They're so cute over there. I hear sirens in my head. Are we rinsing the watermelon?
Yeah, because I put it in soap on accident.
Oh no.
Not really.
Guys, Kit Kat is here.
I'm here.
Kit Kat is here. She hasn't been in one of my vlogs in such a long time and I'm sad.
Sorry.
But she's here. And we're going to Coachella together. She's my +1. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. I don't believe I showed them your hair, really. Like fully. Look at John Murray's unicorn hair. Look at it. It's like cotton candy and unicorn came together and made braids.
Can we do it one more time? Come in the shot. I just have to do one where I'm like, okay, ready? Yeah, you can totally twerk. I'm just gonna do one where I'm standing. Okay, yeah.
It's really weird lighting with the street light and the dark sky. It's kind of weird, but it works. It works. We are getting dinner, as always. Always. Having a good time in the background. We are here at like the main street in Palm Springs. We're gonna get some dinner at one of our favorite restaurants. And we're excited about it. So I was planning on vlogging our dinner. But it's all gone. It's all gone. Fail.
Die for Ashley.
Oh yes, a pinky.
Oh my god, yes. Tonight.
I don't think so.
Let's dye your
I don't think so.
Let's dye your hair.
I don't think
so. Oh my god, do it.
It's
Nope.
so pastel.
Why not?
Nope.
Ash, why not?
It's just smoky pastel.
It'll literally come out if you just go swimming if you don't like it.
No, box cut is the worst color.
Listen to Kit Kat. Listen to Kit Kat.
Don't listen to Kit Kat.
Sorry.
Oh, let's get the this one.
Oh yeah, mother. Interesting.
She's a blogger. Do we need
We're just buying some stuff.
Alicia was joking about getting inserts, and then I was like, well, I brought mine, so I'm good. I'm such an old lady. What kind mom got me for booties?
Just like, what were they? Yes! Oh, wait! Caution! Disclaimer!
Currently trying to pick out inserts for Alicia to wear at Coachella. What inserts do you prefer? Let us know.
Do you want to put it there, or do you want to just put like the ball of
Just
it?
kidding, and that's a total joke,
like-
guys. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup.
But I don't like Folgers either.
The best breakfast coffee Folgers is.
Oh my gosh. What's going on?
Okay.
Too big. Y'all are judging.
Water and
Teamwork. Okay, we got it.
She's an avatar. Look at her, guys. Look at her go.
you really are. And you're tall too.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Careful.
Oh,
Careful.
I can see it.
Careful.
It was
It's
on
twist.
Shark Tank.
Yeah, it was on Shark Tank.